Welcome to Pete's World of Poisonous Plants. Today we visit the Fabaceae family. They are your friendly neighbors in the vegetable world, or so they want you to believe. Take this humble bowl of pea soup. It is comforting, warm, and entirely unsuspecting. But this family tree has some very dark branches. From vibrant green beans to protein-packed lentils and chickpeas, these grocery store staples form the backbone of kitchens worldwide. They are the golden children. Meet the common garden pea. It is small, round, and deceptively innocent. It is the face of the family that makes everyone feel safe. But, like any good family reunion, there are relatives you were never invited to meet. Cousins with a much more dramatic flair for danger. The lighting shifts as we head into the wild. Enter the lupin. Tall, elegant, and cloaked in shades of royal purple and deep blue. While they look like a gardener's dream, many wild lupins possess a hidden toxicity. These are the cousins your mother warned you about. The family shares a secret handshake, the butterfly-shaped flower. Learning to spot this structure is the first step in knowing who to trust. And then there is the rosary pea. Strikingly red with a single black spot. It is nature's way of saying, look, but definitely do not touch. Inside lies abrin, a toxin so potent it shuts down your body's protein synthesis on a cellular level. It is a biological master switch. The result is intense abdominal pain, vomiting, and eventual organ failure. It is a slow, agonizing process delivered in a tiny, beautiful package. Historically, these seeds were used in jewelry. One unintentional, fatal prick of a finger during the stringing process could lead to a permanent fashion mistake. Even the grass pea, a survival food during famines, carries a price. Overconsumption leads to lathyrism, a paralysis that locks the legs forever. Yet, the family isn't all malice. Licorice root and astragalus have been used for centuries, proving that the line between medicine and poison is thin. To navigate this botanical minefield, look for the details. Check the stipules at the base of the leaves and the specific pod arrangements. If you see a wild pod that looks like a pea but isn't in a supermarket, leave it alone. Nature doesn't offer refunds on mistakes. Remember the golden rule: if it is pretty and has a pod, do not eat it unless it comes with a barcode and a receipt. Back in the safety of the kitchen, we can appreciate the beans we know and trust. The supermarket shelf is your safe harbor. The Fabaceae family is a masterpiece of evolution, generous, beautiful, and occasionally homicidal. They provide our lifeblood and, sometimes, our end. Respect the diversity, learn the dangers, and enjoy your legumes safely. After all, life is too short for a toxic family reunion. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get new video alerts.